Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back here. Adam at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1986 Ford F-150 pickup truck. Now, this truck is an 8-foot bed. It is a 4-wheel drive model, white in color, as you can see. I bought this truck from a guy I know down in Tennessee. I bought quite a few vehicles from him in the past. He called me, I don't know, 3 weeks ago or a month ago, and asked me if I was interested in this truck, and I said, yeah, I'd be interested in it. So we made a deal, struck a deal, and I brought it up here. And when it arrived, I'll tell you what, it is an absolute great truck. This gentleman restored this truck from top to bottom, it appears. All new suspension components, springs, shocks, control arms, all new control arm bushings. You see the springs, the shocks, the bushings, it appears that every nut and bolt was touched on this truck. The drive shafts have new U-joints in them. Everything's painted up really nice. The bottom of the cab is very, very solid. Check out the transfer case, the drive shaft. The rear springs are new as well. Fuel lines, brake lines, emergency brake cables. It's got a spray-on bed liner inside the bed. Diamond-plated bed caps and tailgate cover. See that? It's like a bird. I had this thing parked outside here for about 4 hours today, and right on the corner of the building, a bird must have pooped on the tailgate. So I guess somebody's got a deposit on it already, huh? He repainted the truck. The body's super nice. I would give the paint a 7.5 to an 8. You can see how nice and solid this truck is. Look at the doors. Had the seat reupholstered. The dash has been all painted. New floor mat in it. And you'll see in the pictures, it looks like this bubbled up. I mean, this is just kind of the nature of the beast with these rubber mats. It's just kind of how they are. Doors open and shut nice. 302 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, lockout hubs. It's got new chrome bumpers, new grille, new headlight bezels, new headlights. It's like the door handles are new. Man, this guy just spent a fortune on this truck. Left turn, right turn. Horn, radio, dual tanks work. Blower motor works, defrost works. Bright headlight indicator works. Cigarette lighter works. LED license plate lights. Nice, clean, solid truck. Like I say, the door gaps, panel fitments, very nice. Power steering and brakes. I'm gonna price this truck really right too. I'm thinking like $22,900 is what the asking price of this truck's going to be. I think that's super fair for all the work that was done to this thing. Master cylinder, brake booster, washer fluid jug. The engine's all painted up real nice. Looks like you got a new radiator in it. Insulation underneath the hood. I think $22,900 is super fair. I don't think it'll be here long at that price. Where are you ever going to go buy a restored four-wheel drive like this for that kind of money? Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. Pickup trucks. I love pickup trucks. Oh yeah, wipers work too. I was looking at this thing a second ago and I was taking the pictures. I need to tuck this antenna up because the little bracket that holds the antenna, decided it wanted to loose. So I'm going to take this off. If I can. I'm just going to stick this underneath this wiper arm right this minute. I got to put 2 screws in that thing. See, that's how transparent we are here. If I see something wrong, I didn't stop the video or nothing. I just tell you exactly what's up. Check out this truck though. I mean, here's the outside of it. I got a picture or video of the truck sitting outside, I should say. Usually I do that when I stop down there, but I'm already out, so I'll do it right now. I was thinking about maybe putting, if I was going to keep this truck, I don't know if I two-tone it or if I just put some stripes on it. I mean, it's beautiful white, but I think it would really add to this thing if it was maybe like blue and white, blue right through the center with white and white on the top. I don't know. Maybe I think too much. There we go. Drives nice. Like I say, all the suspension parts appear to have been replaced. .55 right down the highway. It is an overdrive transmission as well. Brakes work good. The fuel gauge, fuel tanks do both work, and I think the gauges are pretty accurate because I was driving this thing, I don't know, a few weeks ago on a Saturday, and I ran out of fuel in the one tank, and it said empty. Put gas in it, it went back up to a quarter, and then I flipped it and this one was full, so. Nice running truck. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it, and we really appreciate all of our YouTube subscribers now. So have a great afternoon, everyone, and I'll talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching.